In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your MetaTrader 4 account. Whether you're just getting started with trading or looking to top up your account, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you need to head over to your broker's website. Once there, use your account credentials to log in. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct platform and that your login details are ready, as this sets the foundation for the entire process. After logging in, look for a section called Funding. This is generally straightforward to find, typically located in the main menu or a particular section dedicated to account management. Once you've navigated to Funding, your next step is to click on Deposit. This leads you to the area where you'll handle the transaction. Now, take a look at your live MT4 account numbers. It's vital to identify the specific account you want to fund, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Select this account. It's usually done by clicking a Deposit or Add Funds button associated with it. Next, you'll be faced with a variety of deposit methods. You can choose from options such as credit and debit cards, e-wallets, bank wire transfers, or even cryptocurrency. It's all about selecting what works best for you, bearing in mind transaction speeds and potential fees associated with different methods. Ensure you understand the implications and benefits of each option when deciding. After selecting your preferred deposit method, it's time to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Double-check to make sure you've entered the correct amount, as any errors here might lead to unwanted complications later. Once confident with the amount, proceed to provide the necessary payment details. This might include card numbers, account information, or cryptocurrency wallet addresses, depending on your chosen method. With your payment details entered, take a moment to confirm the transaction. Many platforms will provide a summary screen at this point, offering a final chance to review your deposit amount and method. Confirming accurately ensures a smooth process, preventing delays or errors that might cost time or money. Lastly, after completing the transaction, head back to your MetaTrader 4 account and verify the deposit. This step ensures that your funds have been properly credited to your account. Check your balance to confirm the new amount and ensure everything is in place. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding money to your MetaTrader 4 account. By following these detailed steps, you should find the process both easy and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.